Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, got the Craftsman V20 soldering station right here. I'm going to unbox it, test it out. We're going to see what it can do. Alright, well, we got the packing slip and everything. That goes to the store. Well, that's great. Anyway, we have the V20 soldering iron. Attach it to a battery. Solder without a wire. Well, attached to the wall anyway. It says it gets up to 900 degrees. We'll see. See if it can get hot. Or not. Or not. Instructions. Oh, come on. Yeah, there we go. The unit attached to the battery connector. Piece that you put in your soldering iron to hold it. There. There. That's what we've got. Alright. There we go. Let's see, this hooks in. Looks like here. Maybe. Maybe it just stays there and you can take it apart. Comes with a sponge for the sponge holder. Alright. Let's go with this. Alright, it's wet. There we go. Let's get a battery. Full bars. Put it on. Oh, it's on. Uh-oh. Push the shut off. Okay. All right. Blinking might be because it's hot. Doesn't feel too hot, but better safe than sorry, huh? When it's blinking, it's off. Anyway, is that interchangeable? The tip's interchangeable. Because here's my regular soldering iron. The tip will come out when you remove that screw. Let's test it out. Screw. Yep, comes right out. Are they interchangeable? Yep. Just might be. Except that one's solid. You get a solid one, and it should be interchangeable. Well, should be replaceable. That's what I'm looking for. Is it replaceable? Just might be. Let's say about right there. Oops. Don't stab yourself. There we go. All right, let's turn it on. Test the sucker out. See if it will solder. Careful. Put it in right away, it's on. I guess I should read that, huh? Solid red, getting hot, blinking red, cooling down. Okay. Green means that it's reached temperature. So let's wait until it reaches temperature. It's red. I don't think you could tell that on camera. But it did change color. Seems to be blinking a little faster. A little bit. That's cooled off. Okay. Maybe solid? It's heating up? Let's see if we can melt solder now. Green. It's melting. Okay, so solid means that it's on. Blinking means it's cooling down. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's melting. It's melting really well. That's at 3/4, which is around 700-ish. Let me get some wire. Maybe I can solder some wire. Helping hands. Always handy. Clip some wire. And just cut my nails. This is fun. Okay. 2 pieces of wire. We want to solder them together. All right. Let's twist them. Now, there we go. Don't really need the helping hands with this one, but you know, might as well use it. I brought it out. There we go. Wire, solder. Here we go. All right. There we go. I could do more, but it did do that easily. This is a solid piece of copper wire, so it's not going to melt into the strands. There are no strands to melt into. All right. It's done well. I like it. All right, it's back on red. That means it's cool. It's cooled off a little bit. Back on green. All right. That's nice. It's handy. All that time. Didn't even take a bar. It's good. So, you know, nice little soldering station. Nice little portable soldering station. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.